So I bought this 12 foot by 12 foot master canopy pop-up gazebo with mosquito netting. It was real easy to set up, just popped up just a few minutes. You know, when I was buying this, there was some videos on Amazon, and all of them showed you how to pop it up, but there really wasn't one that showed you how to tear it down. In the reviews, one of the big complaints was breaking it down and fitting it back into the container. So that's what this video is going to be about. I just wanted to show you the inside. And, I bought these little lights for the outside. They're battery operated. A bunch of different settings. It looks really cool, especially at night. Anyhow, keeps the rain out. It's a few degrees warmer inside the canopy than it was outside. Didn't have any bugs inside. That was real nice. Got these little flaps that lay all the way down to the ground to keep the bugs out. There's about a 10-foot long picnic table inside. Got all my cooking supplies on it. Jellies pop in and out real easy. So anyway, the main point was to show you how to break this thing down. I've never done it before, not until this day. So the first thing I did was remove all the stakes holding the canopy down. And then inside the canopy there's two poles that hold the doorway open. They pop out pretty easy. Then they fold in half. After I set this thing up, I moved it on top of the picnic table, so I just gotta drag it off the picnic table before I can break it down. So the first thing I want to do is remove these little Velcro straps that give the top of the canopy support to the frame. I couldn't reach the top in the center, so I had to pull down on the frame a little bit. But once that thing popped down, I knew it would just fall right into place. I mean, gravity was really my friend in breaking this thing down. I just walked around and popped all the side panels inward. And everything just kind of fell into place. Like I said, gravity was my friend on this day. And I really do think it's that easy. I mean, it just, all the pieces just kind of went into a pile, and I just had to roll it up. What'll be interesting is to see how easily this fits into the bag. Alright, so when I set this thing up, it'd come with a strap. It's a little clip-on strap. So I'm just going to put that back on. Kind of hold the thing together. I was actually kind of surprised that it snapped on as easily as it did. And then this little piece of nylon they provided to tie the top down with. And it was just a matter of fitting it into the bag. Now, although I could have had help doing this, I wanted to see if I could do it by myself. I mean, I'm a grandpa, and if I can do it, any of you young bucks can do it too. You know, so far it's looking kind of bulky for the size of the bag, but a little bit of maneuvering will get it in there nice and neat. So in total it took me probably, I don't know, 6 or 7 minutes from start to finish to get this thing back in the bag, and much to my surprise, it went in just fine. A lot of the reviews I read, people were frustrated with getting this thing back in, but I just don't see it. It actually fits pretty well. Okay, so that's it. I'm really happy with the Master Canopy. I'll leave a link in the description box. Oh, and don't forget to put your poles in the bag along with your stakes.